Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Jen and I am delighted to meet you. Today I have a special guest, Darren. We're going to do a little challenge today. I've been carnivore for over a year, and during that time I've dated a few guys who have cooked steaks for me, but no one can ever get it quite right. It's always overcooked, which is why none of them lasted. Just kidding. That's not really why, but that did not help. So today, we're going to see if Darren can cook me the perfect steak with a little help. What do you think? Are you up for the challenge?
I'm up for it.
We can't grill at my house because I live downtown in a loft, so no grills allowed. So we decided to come to the park. We've set up our grill and we're going to cook it here. But it's kind of raining, so it's extra adventurous. And you'll also get to see my hair go from straight to a lot less straight. Like I mentioned in the intro, Darren is going to have a little bit of help with Operation Grill Jen a Perfect Steak. He gets to use this Bluetooth Wi-Fi smart barbecue thermometer from INKBIRD. This is what it looks like. The red probe is mine and it's set for 128 degrees. The teal probe is Darren's and it's set for 135 degrees. We set it using an app on the phone. It's super easy to set up. I chose 128 degrees because I want my steak rare to medium rare. Darren wants his solidly medium rare, so he chose 135 degrees. Look at these beautiful steaks. I really hope he doesn't mess them up. Okay, the grill is just about ready. We're about to do the steaks. How does my hair look?
Looks fabulous.
Oh yeah. Here, Darren is putting the probes into the center of the steak so we can get a good reading. Darren coated his grill top in bacon grease, and he likes to sear the steaks on both sides before throwing them on the grill. You look nervous. Are you scared?
I'm just thinking about a lot of things. But I got Reed out there, so I'm okay.
Let's see where we're at. Do you remember what I want my temperature to end up at?
128. That has a reminder.
Okay, there we go. Ooh, they look pretty good already. Do we season them at the end or now? At the end. Yeah, at the end?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
Answer me!
I'm just used to not talking while you're filming.
Okay, they're in the 50s. That one is thinner, so it's warmer. Yours is thinner. I chose the fat one.
Okay, we're ready to cook them?
Ready.
Night-night.
We're getting there. Mine's at 64 degrees and Darren's is at 72. Okay, what you doing now?
Just turning.
What does that do?
Gives me my grill marks.
Okay. Oh, there's Lucy over there, just minding her own business. Maybe she'll get some steak if she's lucky. So, how do you think it's going so far?
It's going excellent. Plus we have meat.
Oh, are you saying this is a really fun date?
It is.
In the rain?
I get the grill for my lady.
Oh. Ooh, looking good. Let me see what temperature mine is at right now.
Here you go.
91. And yours is at 92. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's on there too. Perfect. While Darren is doing that, I'll tell you about a few of the features that I love about this INKBIRD IBT-26S 5G thermometer. It's the first ever food thermometer with 5G. That means it communicates the data faster and with decreased latency. And for me, someone whose patience is not a virtue, this is the one for me. It connects to my INKBIRD app on my phone with Bluetooth and 5G Wi-Fi, so I'm able to get a signal anytime, anywhere. Like at the park, I can monitor the temperature even if I'm not standing right there looking at the thermometer because I can see it on my phone. So Darren doesn't think I'm quite such a nag, but yet I can keep a very close eye on how he's doing with my steak. And one of my favorite things is that it's so techy, but also so beautiful. Look at this rose gold. It would make a really great gift for a Father's Day, a birthday, or a housewarming. I'll leave a link for this awesome thermometer in the caption in case you're interested in trying it out.
I'm just really afraid to get yours over temp.
Why? You think I'll break up with you?
Well, I'm pretty sure my existence is in the balance of my grilling skills.
I mean, he's not completely wrong. We're getting closer. The INKBIRD app is really simple to use. You'll just download the app, open it, and I have two INKBIRD devices, so I'll choose the thermometer. I have two thermometers plugged in right now, which is why you see two readings. There are a couple of different ways you can set this up. One is to choose the type of food you're cooking, and you can see there are a lot of choices. The app will actually tell you what temperature it should be cooked to depending on your preferred doneness. You can also put in a custom temperature if you already know what you want. For this demonstration, I'll set the temperature for my steak to be 128 degrees. Let's choose a different cut of meat for the second thermometer. How about chicken? For chicken to be thoroughly cooked, it needs to get to 165 degrees, so that's where I'll set the thermometer. This INKBIRD thermometer, and the app honestly, is really, really handy in situations where you want to cook different meats that need to be cooked to different temperatures. It takes out all the guesswork.
We're getting there. Yours is at 112 and mine's at 126.
All right, all right. Oh, they look so good. This is the best rainy day park date I've ever had.
Really high to sear for a short flash, and then finish it off on a lower temp. Are you recording me?
Yes. I was just getting your little butt.
You like what you see?
You are winning the race. Yours is there. You want to take it off?
Yeah, I'll pull it out.
How can I help you? You want to put it on this?
Yeah.
Ooh. Fiery. Oh, look at that baby. That looks so freaking good. Are you more excited about this date or about the steak?
Yes.
So close. 2 more degrees. I'm ready to go. What do you think? Do you think these thermometers are handy?
I would totally buy this device.
Well, I have one, so you can use mine. Oh my gosh, look at that.
But we're still cooking.
Okay, so good to know. Next time I will set the temp for like 120 so that when it keeps kind of cooking itself off the grill, the temperature will be a little lower. But I will say that I was smart. I chose 128 because I knew I wanted it like around 135. That was smart, right?
I think so.
It's okay, say I'm smart.
I'm a bird.
Aww. Inside joke. All right, time to take out the probes. We get to eat these now. The best part. All right, we got a romantic table for two here with a dog. Got to wipe some water off the table. It's a little wet.
What?
What?
Nothing. Go ahead.
I was just going to say, here we are. Our steaks are done. And my hair's about done too, like I said.
So here's the true test, right? Do I make the cut?
Let's see.
You go ahead first.
Oh, yeah. It's pretty good. Pretty good. I have a fork here, but I'm just going to go like this to start. All right, we had a little content creation emergency. My phone ran out of storage, so we're picking back up where we left off, which is perfect because we forgot to salt it anyway. So we have since done that. And now I'll start eating with utensils. Did you sneak a bite?
Not yet.
What do you think?
I think it's good. What about you?
I think it's fantastic.
So,
Wait, Lucy wants to get in on this. And I'm choosing not to listen to your question. No, just kidding. What's your question?
I'm just going to say, so am I worthy?
That was an accident. That was just a literal accident of me.
She's choking on some meat.
Aspirating the steak juice. Yes, as far as your steak cooking skills, absolutely.
All right.
The rest, still to be determined. No, this is really good. Thank you.
Welcome. Thanks for letting me cook for you.
Of course. Anytime.
You hear that? Anytime.
What if I eat this whole thing? How will you feel about that?
I'm glad you're not wasteful.
Oh, that's good. Good answer.
Mm-hmm. I think it would take it as an insult if you decided not to finish the steak I cooked for you.
You would?
Yeah.
What if I wasn't hungry?
You finish it.
Should we give Lucy a piece?
See
Okay,
what she
baby.
thinks.
Is it good? Uh-oh, I just got it all over my dress. You like it? I think she approves. We should have waited till the end, because now she's going to be begging the whole time. Rookie mistake.
You could be part of this too.
So I recently got, trolled by someone on YouTube who said, well, she was watching one of my videos about how I used to be, obsessed with something like a hot fudge sundae. I would just dream about it, and then I would have it, and it was so delicious, and then I would just feel like crap. And I feel like I have the same experience with something like a ribeye. I feel so excited when I'm about to eat it. I love every bite of it when I'm eating it, but then I feel awesome after. And she basically was like, there's no way, this woman is lying. A steak is not going to give you the same feels as a hot fudge sundae. You're definitely lying. Also, look at the bags under your eyes, which is true. I do have bags under my eyes, but that's I've had that since I was just a little baby. So, what are your thoughts? Would you rather have a hot fudge sundae or a ribeye?
First off, I think that person has too much time on their hands to critique every move you make. And as I used to always love ice cream myself, it used to make me hurt a lot. But I don't get that pains afterwards with eating a steak.
Yeah,
So I'd say steak.
absolutely. You could eat steak, and that's all you eat for the rest of your life, and live a happy, healthy life. I don't think you could say the same for ice cream.
The only regret I have from eating a steak is that I don't have any more steak when I'm done.
I know, right? So the other random thing that I get grief about on the internet is how I hold my fork. I'm not really sure how you're supposed to do it, but this is what I do.
I think however you enjoy to eat your steak, it's how you enjoy to eat your steak.
I mean, at home, it's honestly usually like this.
There we go.
What do you think about the fact that I document my almost entire life and put it on the internet?
Do you enjoy doing it?
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
I feel like you're just putting on a show for the camera here, Darren.
Have I ever said anything otherwise off camera?
You never have.
There you go. Maybe I wouldn't mind being included in it.
You're in this whole video.
Have I complained once?
Lucy clearly wants to be in it too. Right? Okay, so final review on the thermometer, the INKBIRD thermometer. It's fantastic, I think. Now, I didn't do a lot of the work, but I feel like it's something I could do with the extra objective data, that I could see exactly what the temp is. I'm really excited to play with it more and kind of figure out exactly what temp I like my steaks at the best, but I feel like it was definitely a success.
I feel like it is. Like I said before, I would definitely use it more. I'm used to just timing it. I felt like I was pretty close combining my timing with thermometer.
That's okay. He's made me steaks before, and they were a little overcooked.
Because I have to give them to her.
You didn't hear
And
that.
she has to microwave it. You forgot your mic's on.
You've officially gotten my review of the thermometer, as well as my review of Darren's cooking skills. So if you liked this, I'd love it if you would like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram, where we can connect every day. And if you want Darren to make more cameos, let me know in the comments, and we'll see if we can let him in more videos.
Yay, Darren.
We did it! Lucy, high five! Shake! Good girl! There's one bad part about being a carnivore. What is it, Darren?
All the food that gets stuck in your teeth.
Yeah, we spend a lot of money on floss.